Hello everyone, good afternoon. I just wanted to talk to you briefly today about coronavirus. As you will know from my letter home to parents and carers yesterday afternoon, we have received our first positive COVID-19 test result in the school. Our key priority is to support and send our best wishes to the Year 11 student who's tested positive for COVID-19, and we wish her a speedy recovery at home as she isolates. However, I know that many of you will feel anxious today and that your families may be anxious as well. Firstly, I want to assure you that this is not unusual. The majority of Bexley schools have already had one or more positive cases of COVID-19 since the start of September. And it's likely that we'll have more in the months ahead as the number of positive COVID results nationally continues to climb. However, when and if we do receive a positive test result, I wanted to assure you that we work really closely with the Department for Education, the Department of Health, Bexley Council and other public health officials, and we follow their official medical advice. If a student tests positive for COVID-19, we have to consider which other students or staff members were close contacts of them. A close contact is someone who was within 2 meters of that individual for a period of time longer than 15 minutes. Therefore, we look at individuals' timetables and the classes they were in the 48-hour period before their symptoms appeared. By doing so, we can look at which students would sit near to them in classes, and it's those students or staff members who would be defined as close contacts. In Year 11, there are around 35 Year 11 students who are now isolating at home because they are close contacts of the individual who tested positive. But it's important to say that none of those 35 students are showing any symptoms of COVID-19, and they're not likely to have any symptoms of COVID-19 either. They will continue to work from home, and we look forward to having them back in school once the isolation period has finished. Please remember that for the vast majority of people, COVID-19 is a mild illness, particularly for children. But I can reassure you that student and staff safety will always be my priority. We will always follow government and health advice when dealing with this situation. That's exactly what we did yesterday. That's what we will continue to do. And I wanted to reassure you of that and to be honest and open with you about the process that we undertake when and if we receive that positive test result. If we receive any further test results, I will of course be in touch with your parents and carers once again. But please remember you are safe, secure, looked after and cared for here within our King Henry School community. That we continue to show kindness to one another in these unprecedented times, that key core King Henry School value, as we strive to be a truly extraordinary place. I hope you have an extraordinary rest of the day and a brilliant end to the week as well. I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Take care. Goodbye.